Students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So students, welcome back in your mathematics class. This is class 9th, chapter 11, construction. This is our lecture 1. So students, in this lecture, we will discuss introduction part of chapter 11 construction. Construct the bisector of an angle. Construct the perpendicular bisector of the line segment, and we will learn how we will draw the construction of angle 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree and etc. Student, this is a kind of revision. All these things are already read in your previous class, in 8th class. So today we will revise all these things. So start with the introduction. So students, first question is, what is construction? What is the definition of construction? So students, when we will draw something with the help of a pencil, colors, then we called it as drawing. When we will draw something with the help of our compass, scale, ruler, then that drawing is called as construction. So the proper definition of the construction is when we will draw something with the help of mathematics tool like compass, ruler, scale, then we called it as construction. So students, this is the definition of construction. Now we will start how we will bisect an angle. This is angle AOB. This is our angle AOB. So what is the definition of angle, which I already told you in the previous all geometry chapters? When two rays are originated from a fixed point, OA is a ray and OB is also a ray. When two rays are originated from a fixed point, we called it as an angle. Now we will revise that how we will draw the angle bisector. So the basic first rule is this, that we have to measure this distance. This is our total distance of this arc. So we should open our compass more than half of this distance. So this is, I opened my compass as more than half of this arc, Then how we will draw the angle bisector? We will take these two endpoints of the arc of this angle as PQ. So I will take Q as a center and then I will draw an arc like this. Then I will take P as a center and then I draw the second arc like this. But the condition is we should not change the compass. We should open our compass on a one point and then we will take these 2 points as a center and draw this arc. These two arcs cut at one point which we marked as R. Now we will join these 2 points together and then we can say that we will join these 2 points. We will put our pencil here because pencil length is, breadth of this tip of the pencil is also important. If you want accurate, then you have to put your pencil, then adjust your scale because tip has also its breadth. So now we will join. This is the angle bisector. This is the angle bisector of the given angle. So now student, you learn how we will draw the angle bisector. This is the first type. Now we will learn how we will draw the perpendicular bisector of a line. Second one is how we will draw the perpendicular bisector. For the perpendicular bisector, we need a line segment. So we will draw a line segment. This is our required line segment which we will mark as AB. Now the question is how we will draw the line bisector, the perpendicular bisector of the line. We should open our compass more than half of the line, Then we will take A as a center and then we will mark arc upside as well as downside. It's visible to you. This is the downside. And then we do not change the compass, and with the same opening we will take B as a center, and then again put 2 marks upward as well as downwards. Then now we will meet these 2 arcs, mark them as P and Q. Now we will meet P and Q. So this, when we will join these 2 points, this is the perpendicular bisector of the line. It means this line is perpendicular on the given line segment, and AO and OB are always equal to each other because this line is bisected this line. So this is our second topic. Now third one is that how we will draw the different kinds of angles. First question of your exercise 11.1 is also that we have to draw 90-degree angle. So we have to draw 90-degree angle. So first of all we know that for the 90-degree angle we have to draw a line segment first of all, and then we will draw an arc. So students, first of all I will take a line segment. This is our line segment, and mark them as this is our ray, and then open our compass and then draw, take A as a center of the circle, and then draw a semicircle like this, and do not change the breadth of your compass, and then take this point, this semicircle, cut AB at point O, take O as a center, and then we will draw a arc which is 60-degree arc. This is our 60-degree angle, and this is our 120-degree angle, and take this as a center. This is our 180-degree. It should be equal, and it should be present on the same straight line. It should be present on the same straight line. So for the 90-degree, this is 60-degree, this is 120-degree. Then how we will draw, if we want to draw 60-degree angle, then how we will draw? We will meet this point A to this intersecting points. If we want to draw 120-degree angle, then we will meet this and like this. But in this question we still only want 90-degree angle. So 60 and 120, the 90 present here. So we will bisect this angle. So I already explained you that how we will bisect this angle. We will open more than half of this arc, and then take this as a center, draw an arc, take the another center, draw another arc. If this arc is like this, then we will increase this arc, which is, and then we will draw a same straight line. So we will put our scale here and then draw like this. This is our 90-degree angle. This is our 90-degree angle. So students, if we want to construct a 45-degree angle, then how we will draw? 45 is the half of the 90-degree. Then again what we will do? We will do, open this, open our compass more than half, and then take this as a, take O and then mark it as point P. Take O as a center and then draw an arc, take P as a center, draw another arc, and then we will increase this arc like this, and then we will join this point to the center A. This is our 45-degree angle. Now how we will draw the 22.5 degree? So bisector of 45 is 22.5. So we will again open our compass more than half, take this as a center and mark here, it is S. So take S as a center and then draw this arc, and then join these 2 points. This is 22.5. This is 22.5 degree. 22.5 degree. How we will draw a 15-degree angle? This is a very easy question. Then how we will draw our 15-degree angle? First of all, we will take our line segment, then we will draw a semi-circle. This is 60-degree arc. When we will draw a 60-degree angle, this is our 60-degree angle. Half of the 60-degree is 30-degree angle, and the half of the 30-degree is 15-degree angle. So this is your 15-degree angle. Now how students, how we will draw 135-degree angle? How we will draw 135-degree angle? For the 135, we know it very well. It is present between 120 and 180 degrees. So we will start doing the construction. There is no need to write any step of construction for these type of constructions. So we will draw our semicircle like this. This is our 60-degree, this is our 120-degree, and this is our 180-degree. Now we know it very well. Then between these 2 points we have 135-degree. Can we say that it is 120-degree plus 15-degree? Correct. It means after 120 we need 15-degree angle, but we have this complete angle is 180-degree minus 120-degree. This is complete angle is 60-degree. This complete part is 60-degree. If we will bisect this angle, then we will get 30-degree, and then again bisect that part, then we will get 15-degree. So we will open our compass more than half and draw the angle bisector of this angle. Correct. So how we will meet? First of all, we will take our scale and then draw this like this, because we do not want this angle now. So now this is 30-degree angle, but we want only 15-degree. So again bisect this angle. We will take this as a center and this as a center and draw 2 arcs. This is the again bisector of this angle, and now we will join this. Now this complete angle from this side to this side, this is 135-degree, this is 120, and this is 15. The sum of 120 plus 15 is 135-degree. So now student, next one is next and the last question of your exercise is construct an equilateral triangle. It means equilateral triangle in which all angles are equal and all angles are 60-degree. So how we will draw? Because some of the students always said that we have to draw like this. We will take a line segment, then we will draw 2 60-degree angle, and then we will meet them like this. And then this is also 60-degree because it is obvious. If 2 angles are 60-degree, then this is also 60-degree. But we have another method to draw an angle equilateral triangle. This is also a correct standard, but we have another standard also. So students, this is also a correct method, but we have another method for this. First of all, we have to take a line segment, any length of our line segment. Then we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. Open our compass more than half, and then join these two. This is our perpendicular bisector. Then we will draw a line segment here also, and then we will draw our semicircle, which we always draw a vertex of a line segment. Now we will draw our semicircle here. With the same opening of the compass, we will mark the angles. This is for, if I will change this page to the other side for draw these arcs easily. This is our 60 degree, then this is our 120 degree, and this is our 180 degrees. See, this arc is completely present on the intersection point. It means my compass is also well settled, because when you will change it again and again and your compass is not properly tight, then it will be present up and down from this point of intersection. Now students, we are making an equilateral triangle where we have 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree, and but I start from here, started, and then draw the perpendicular bisector. Here we have a 90 degree angle. If it is 60 degree, it is 90, then it is also a 30 degree, same here. So 30 degree and 30 degree. So we need 30 degree angle here. See, this is complete 90 degree angle. This is complete 90 degree angle. Out of this 90, this part is 60 degree. So the remaining part is 30 degree. Remaining part is 30 degree. So when we will put a pencil here and then draw this, and then again we need a 30 degree angle here. This is arc of 120 degree. This complete angle is 60 degree. Now the remaining part is also 30 degree. So we will join these 2 points also. So student, this is also an equilateral triangle. When you will mark it properly and measure with the compass, this is also 60 degree, 60 degree and then 60 degree. You can draw your equilateral triangle by this method also and by this method also. Both the methods are correct. But when you will get the questions with the altitudes, like if we will get the question that you have to draw a triangle with the altitude 4 centimeter, then we will follow this method. We will take a line segment, draw a perpendicular bisector, then we will cut a 4 centimeter part from here, and then we will draw our triangle like this. So I will explain it again when the altitude questions will be coming. So this is your today's lecture. Now we revise the basic construction of your construction chapter. Now students, it's a time to your homework. Students, you have to do all questions of exercise 11.1 in your homework notebook from NCERT with proper construction. And for the construction you need a sharp pencil, a proper scale and a proper compass. If you will draw all these construction with the help of your hand only, then marks will be deducted. You have to use a proper compass, otherwise your marks will be deducted. So thank you, have a nice day.